The next one is I see in many ad groups that there is only one ad written, or one video or one image ad. Make a variation of these ads. Make multiple ads. Write it down. Think what you want to put that message in, different headlines, different descriptions, and then test them to see which one is getting the most click through. If you don't test it, you will not know how much cash you are leaving on the table for your competitors to take away. The same thing with the videos. If you are creating videos, put a different message. Maybe, simple things like change your top or your shirt and see which one, a white shirt compared to a black shirt, which one is getting the most clicks or conversions. The hook which you have, what is your offer? Change the way you say it. Shoot one video indoors, another one outdoors. With your smartphone, you can do this very quickly and easily at pretty much zero cost. So why wouldn't you split test these and see which one is working and which one isn't working? So always put in multiple ads in your ad groups.